These will be my art supplies today, because this sweatshirt dress was so painfully boring. So naturally, I had to make it a little bit more weird. And yes, I make it with bleach again. I wanted to make something with random everyday objects. And somehow, the packet full of lingerie clips started to look very interesting. And off they go. And then you just like reassembling them a little bit. Otherwise it's gonna be too busy. And then you just organize it a bit. Just remove some clips or just move, turn a little bit. Just make it more how you like it. I used this kind of bleach, and in the spray bottle you just mix 50% of bleach and 50% of water, so 50-50, to make it more interesting. So I took one clip and I broke it. I took the metal thingy out because I wanted to use it as a stamp. This is smaller bottle. And this is like 100% of bleach. This is a very thin mist, and I wanted that it goes to the holes of the clips, that the image would be more crisp. Then I took another bleach, another sort of bleach, and this is the toilet cleaner, Domestos. Why I use this? This is more thicker. So when I wanted to use clip as a stamp, I thought that maybe this one was the right choice. And I started stamping extra texture onto the dress. I wanted the pattern to feel more layered and messy and more interesting and something else. At first, this was working really nicely, but then I made a big mistake. This is the mistake. I added way too much Domestos. And this what happened. Too much Domestos. So yeah, less is definitely better here. And then you just keep going. You just add a little bit more stamps, little bit more splash, little bit more mist. Just what you think your design needs.
Ring ja ring, metsa süda hingab mind. Seened sosistavad reas nimed, mida ma ei tea. Kõik, mis oli, hajub eest, midagi on minu sees. Kuma voolab seenesest, valgus kasvab minu sees. Kuma voolab ring ja ring, metsa süda hingab mind. Aeg ei liigu, vaid on siin igal helil oma liin. Silmad lahti, huulel keel, tea kus lõpeb mina veel. Kuma voolab seenesest, valgus kasvab minu sees. Kuma voolab ring ja ring, metsa süda hingab mind.
I actually love how it turned out. It's a little bit crazy and chaotic, but in a good way.
Ei lõppe, ainult muutub. Ring ja ring, hing ja hing, valgus sees mina mets. Ring ja ring, hing ja hing, valgus sees mina mets. Ring ja ring, hing ja hing, valgus sees mina mets.
Would you wear something like this? Or do you have another random object what I should try next? Did you use clips on your design as well? Or did you find something more interesting in your household? I would appreciate it if you show me. Thank you for watching. Bye.